Hi, my name is Benjamin Wan, and I'm an expert on standard cost. I have written this article to give you an explainer on pretty much everything you need to know to get started to understand what standard costing is today and why it's used and how it's used. This article is one of many that I've written on the topic, and together, by looking at all the articles on my website, you'll be able to get a really strong and comprehensive view of how you can use standard costing in your organization today to improve your current processes. The opportunity to improve product costing is substantial, and understanding how we're currently using standard costing today is a key element to understanding what comes next and what the future of accurate and detailed product costing at every level of detail that an organization wants is possible. So thank you for stopping by this article. Please review the article, leave any feedback you have, and let me know if there's anything else I didn't cover that you love covered in other articles in the future. Thank you.